Hello. So today we are going to talk about closed syllables when it comes to spelling. So some quick definitions to help you out. A syllable is a unit of a word where there is at least one vowel and it's surrounded by consonants. So it's those little tiny parts of words that you use when you are sounding out a word in reading. But we can also use them to help us with our writing and our spelling. So what is a vowel? Our vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. And then our consonants are all the letters except for those vowels, so all the rest of the letters in the alphabet. So, what is a closed syllable? A closed syllable is where you have a vowel that is closed by a word, closed in the word by a consonant, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So, I have the example hat. I have this vowel right here, A. It is closed off, meaning that has the pattern of a consonant, vowel, consonant, with the consonants H and T. Okay, so it is not out in the open. It has this T that's kind of blocking it from the rest of either the rest of a word or the rest of the sentence. Okay, so I have my A vowel. It has the short sound A, and it is closed by the T. And then my T is the consonant that is actually closing in that A. So here's a harder example. This is the multi-syllable, so there's two syllables in this word, happen. Okay, so I got to think about what are my vowels. So I have an A and I have an E. And what are they being closed off by? It looks like I have this P that's closing off the A, and then I have the N, which is closing off the E. So my A closed by a P, my E closed by an N. Okay, here's another one. So I have mishap. I have this I, it's closed off by an S, and I have this A, which is closed off by a P. Okay, so let's talk about a little bit of a strategy. Your assignment for today is going to look something like this. You're going to have some words that you need to scramble. And they're multi-syllable words and they're closed syllables. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my vowels. So I'm going to find the A and the E, and then over here there's an A and an I. I've highlighted them in red. Okay, they're going to help me form my syllables. Next, I'm going to form at least two syllables using the letters here. And I'm going to look for things that are common in everyday words. So if there's double letters, if there is a simple word that I possibly could write, if there's an ending that I know is common, or even a beginning that I know is common, I'm going to look for word families. So letters that kind of go together often. So here I have the small word pen, which will help me. I also have the double P. So I'm going to make sure that those P's are together. Over here, I have the simple word miss. Okay? And then both of these have that syllable hap in them. So once I figure out what my syllables are, I'm going to put them together to make the word. And then I'm going to check my word list to make sure that they are correct. And you will have access to a word list. You are more than allowed to use the list to help you, because we're just still figuring out this strategy. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense about closed syllables. I've given you a couple of videos to watch so that you can really understand more about syllables, but I hope that this makes a little bit more sense. All right, bye.